Hello friends, it's me, Kiki. Today, we're going on a magical walk through the forest. But this is not just any walk. We're going to learn the ABC together, from A to Z. Every step we take, we'll meet something fun, an animal or a thing, that starts with each letter. Are you ready to say the ABCs with me? Let's go! Let's sing!
A is the bat, marching in the line, tiny and busy, working just fine. B is the butterfly, flying so high, being so pretty, up in the sky. C is for cat, hiding in the tree, meow, meow, come play with me. D is for duck, swimming in the lake, splish, splash with a little shake. E is for eagle, soaring above, strong and proud with wings I love. F is for frog, jumping with glee, ribbit, ribbit, 1, 2, 3. G is for grass, soft and green, wiggle your toes, it's fresh and clean. H is for hedgehog, hiding so shy, hello, says Kiki, don't be shy. I is for insect, buzzing around, what a funny sound. J is for jaguar, fast and cool, running through trees just like in school. K is for kite, flying so free, up in the wind, come fly with me. L is for leaf, falling from high, spinning and twirling down from the sky. M is for monkey, swinging in trees, come swing with me, says Kiki please. N is for nest with eggs inside, mama bird watches, eyes open wide. O is for owl, who hoots at night, who are you? Under moonlight. P is for pancone, lying on the ground, pick it up, what have you found? Q is for quail, walking so sweet, tiny little bird with tiny little beak. R is for rabbit, hopping near, hello Kiki, I have no fear. S is for snake, slithering slow, watch it wiggle left and low. T is for tree, big and tall, hug it tight, don't let it fall. U is for umbrella, when it rains, stay dry Kiki, no wet stains. V is for vines, twist and twirl, let's climb together, boy and girl. W is for wind, blowing your hair, hold on tight, it's everywhere. X is for xylophone, hidden behind, tap tap tap, music we find. Y is for yak with fluffy fur, hi there, says Kiki, nice to purr. Z is for zebra with stripes so neat, black and white, what a treat.
Wow! You did amazing, my friend! We walked through the forest and learned every letter of the alphabet. You are so smart and fun to learn with. Do you want to go on another adventure next time? Maybe learn about numbers or shapes or even opposites. Let me know in the comments or just shout, yes, Kiki! Don't forget to hit the big red button, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.